Hey guys, welcome to Airplane Trip Reports. Today we are flying on a JetBlue a320 from White Plains, New York to West Palm Beach, Florida. This plane still has JetBlue's old A320 cabin. They are currently switching them out for newer cabins with better amenities. It's time for a seat tour. There's a small adjustable IFE screen. I'll go into that later in flight. Below that is a large sturdy tray table. The seat back pocket is large and can hold a water bottle. The remote for the IFE is built into the armrest. I found that I accidentally clicked it with my elbow. The seat reclines a good amount. The seat is padded and very comfortable. Let's push back and get going on our flight to Palm Beach. Due to the short runway at White Plains, the takeoffs are very exciting because of the steep climb out and high power takeoffs. The crew on this flight was nice and gave us 2 of the snacks. I chose a cinnamon bar, and they were pretty good. For a drink, I chose the classic ginger ale. lavatory is old with the standard amenities. Something that I've never seen before is the ice in the lavatory sink. The live map is outdated, but it still does the job. JetBlue has 36 channels of live TV and it has a lot of music with Sirius XM. The approach and landing was special because we were landing on the shorter runway at Palm Beach. Overall, this was a great flight. JetBlue is a great airline. My next video will be at the end of August with either a JetBlue A321 flight from John F. Kennedy to San Diego or an American Airlines flight from San Diego to Charlotte in first class. If you have any questions or comments, write them in the comment section down below. I won't be able to reply to comments until August. You could also email me at airplanesonyt@gmail.com.
JetBlue welcomes you to West Palm Beach. Local time is 6:26. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and also your carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful in opening up overhead bins as items do tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you're going to be able to pick up your items right outside the front boarding door. If you need help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after we've arrived at the gate so that we may better assist you. For information on baggage claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our TrueBlue loyalty program where you can earn points on all of your flights starting with today's
Again, I won't
flight.
be able to reply until August.
Here at JetBlue,
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you for choosing
See you soon.
JetBlue today.